Today I'm making my spice rub chicken tacos. I melt the cheese on the tortilla and it changes your life. I'm gonna show you how. Let's start with our spice mixture for our chicken. I have some cumin, paprika, cayenne pepper, and then garlic powder, as well as salt and pepper. And this is also my homemade taco seasoning. You know, the ones you get in the package. You never really know how old they are, you don't know how much salt's in it. So this is my version of taco seasoning. So I have some boneless, skinless thighs. I'm gonna drizzle with a little olive oil. Get them nice and coated. Sprinkle over the spice mixture. Kind of massage it in and then flip it over. Make sure they're all equally coated and covered. All right, my chicken is thoroughly spiced and my grill is preheated. I'm just gonna cook them low and slow and they'll be nice and juicy and tender. So you wanna cook these low and slow for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna prep my avocado and my limes. All right, I'm gonna thinly slice it. I'm gonna squeeze a little lime juice over it as well. Give my lime a little roll. The juicy lime. So my chicken is almost ready to come off. So I'm going to grill my tortillas. Just wanna get them a little crispy and then I'm gonna flip them and cover them in cheese. I'm gonna take my chicken off and let it cool while I finish my tortillas. Let that rest and then flip my tortillas. Second. And the ones that are grilled, put the cheese on top of them. And then close it for a second for it to melt. Yeah. I'm gonna keep an eye on those, but I need to build some of these. All right, a few pieces of chicken. All right, I'm gonna just cut up that, squeeze over a little lime juice. Start with some avocado and some of the chicken. And then some cilantro leaves, kind of tear them up. And then a little hot sauce, which is my personal preference. Voila, my spice rub chicken tacos. A new and different way to spice up your Taco Tuesday. Now go away so I can eat these in private and have it everywhere and have no judgment from you. Make this recipe.